Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to block unwanted emails in Gmail. This is the full guide for 2026. And yeah, it works whether you're getting spam or just emails you don't want. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Select an email from the sender you want to block. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the email. Choose Block Sender Name. From now on, emails from this sender will go straight to your spam folder. For newsletters or promotional emails, look for the unsubscribe link at the bottom. Clicking it stops future emails without marking them as spam. You can also create filters. Go to Gmail settings, click Filters and Blocked Addresses, and add a filter for the sender or keywords. Then choose Delete or Mark as Spam automatically. Another way is to mark unwanted emails as spam. Gmail learns over time, and similar emails will go to spam automatically. You can review blocked senders anytime in Gmail settings. Unblock someone if you change your mind. And yeah, that's how to block unwanted emails in Gmail in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.